Alright, here we have a Maytag Bravos HE washing machine. I'm not sure of the year. See the controls there. This is the machine we use at work for washing our rags, dust mops, and stuff that come from the other schools. Listen to the sound it makes when you open the lid. I don't know why they gotta do that. It's got a wash plate. Already got dirty rags in it. Little focus. Mile number and serial. Doesn't say where it's made. Go ahead, add some commercial detergent. That's good enough. Put the lid on. Alright, so extra rinse. An hour and 4 minutes to do a wash and second rinse. Hot, max, and heavy. Signal off. Here we go. Now it's going to lock the lid. It's locked. Now it will continue filling, just like that. And I'll come back in a while and we'll see if it completes a cycle. It has a habit of stopping halfway through and giving an LD error, which means drain issue, which I normally get around by hitting the pause and then starting it up again. So, be back in a bit. But what do you know? I completed a cycle, no problem. The done light, which goes off and you open it. Let's see how they came out. Not bad. A little twist tangled, but that's standard with any machine. So next step is to throw them in the dryer. Alright, with the tub now empty, you can get an idea of the inside of it. Got the wash plate there, which is this. Plastic. Metal. This is stainless steel or aluminum, hard to tell. Probably thin aluminum. No tub brake. No suspension, so I can do it like this, no problem. I'll show you this no tub brake. I can just simply spin this by hand. Pretty much no effort. That's why they lock the lid, because there's no tub brake, so it takes them like a couple minutes to come to a complete stop naturally. So that will conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching.